Alright, good afternoon everybody. Today is Wednesday, so I'm talking for trades tomorrow, Thursday, okay? So again, today's Wednesday, the 8th of November. Take a look at Starbucks, huh? Starbucks is up big time today, right over a point. We've broken out. Remember what I said yesterday, that I believe that we were going to break up through the 200 moving average, the purple, right? And that's why I was buying it down in here, and I told you once we broke up here it'd be safe to be buying it right down in here, and that's a great trade. That's up 3 points. So hopefully you took advantage of that. Now the SELB trade that I told you about, I was stopped out. Remember I told you I bought this at $10.38 yesterday, and my stop was below the lowest lows. So look at, I was wrong, but remember, my risk was very defined. My stop was at $9.95, like I told you yesterday. Again, I was long at, I don't know, my computer actually crashed this afternoon, so it kind of got rid of it. So I went long at about 10, what was that? I know I was risking 43 cents. So 9.95 is where I was stopped out. It broke through all-time lows, and that's where my stop loss was. So that was a good thing. Again, you've always got to have a predetermined stop, always, when you enter a trade. There can't be any ambiguity, okay? Gold was up on the day. Now the trade for tomorrow, the trade for Thursday, the 9th. You ready? Tesla. All right, take a look at this coiled situation here. Okay, granted, yes, we are trading below the 200. Sure, you can look at this as, we failed a classic double top. We've come down. We took out these lows, right? We're below the 200, negative, right? Yeah, but longer term, I think it's going a lot higher. But for a short-term trade, it's a beautiful setup if it happens, okay? Remember, there's a big difference between a setup and an actual trade, okay? What do you think that setup is? Now, some of you may already be long. Remember, yesterday I told you could either buy it 20 cents above the 306.50 to 306.70, which it actually hit 306.89 today, or you could buy it at 307.70 at break through these highs. Or if you really want to be conservative, break it up through the 308.69, so about 309.05 roughly, okay? But what I'm going to say is if you're long, great. If you're long, I'd place my stop below the 300 round. 300 round. I'd be at 299.80. If you're long already, your stop should be at 299.80. Okay? Which is the low, below the low of the 7th of November, okay? If you're not long, I would go in at 307.70. Right there. Anticipating the 308.69 will be hit at the same time that we penetrate the 307.70, and I would expect a run up to minimum the 314 area, which you'd start pulling stops. So that is the trade of the day for tomorrow. I'm keeping this nice and sweet. If you haven't already opted into my video series that I put together for this week, I urge you to do that. Have a great one. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.